Celebration time, unwrapping the joy in language. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fun and festive phrase, celebration time. Whether you're a beginner or advancing in English, understanding these common expressions can really add color to your conversations. So, let's explore what celebration time means, how you can use it, and the joy it brings to the English language. Celebration time is an expression used to convey happiness and excitement about a special event or occasion. It's like saying, "It's time to celebrate." This phrase is often used when something positive has happened, such as achieving a goal, having a birthday, or reaching a milestone. It's about sharing joy and recognizing achievements or special moments. You can use celebration time in various situations. For example, personal achievements. When you or someone you know has achieved something significant. Like, "I passed my exam." Celebration time, special occasions. During birthdays, anniversaries, or holidays. It's your birthday? Celebration time, group success. In a team or group setting when a collective goal is achieved. "We won the match." Celebration time. Remember, the phrase is informal and best used in casual conversations or festive contexts. Let's see how celebration time fits into everyday conversations. 1. Friendship. "You got the job?" That's amazing. Celebration time. 2. Family. "Our daughter graduated today." It's definitely celebration time. 3. Workplace. Informally, "We just landed a big client." Celebration time. Team. These examples show how the phrase brings a sense of joy and camaraderie. While celebration time is widely understood, its use may vary across different cultures. In some cultures, celebrations are more subdued, while in others, they are quite exuberant. Additionally, similar phrases like, "time to party," or "let's celebrate," convey the same excitement and are equally popular. And that's a wrap on celebration time. We hope this video helps you understand and use this cheerful expression in your English conversations. Remember, language isn't just about words. It's about the feelings and experiences they convey. So, the next time there's a reason to celebrate, don't forget to share your joy with a hearty celebration time. Until next time, keep learning and celebrating the beauty of English.